Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Xiaomi Pad 7. I'll be following this up with a video in which I'll set the device up. We'll do a series of tutorials as I'm going through my review process, and if all goes as planned, we'll have a long-term review in the next few months. But for now, let's start off with the unpackaging. So this is the Xiaomi Pad 7. I wasn't really planning on purchasing a tablet, but there was a deal on the Xiaomi 15T Pro that was really too good to ignore. And so I ended up getting this included in the purchase of my Xiaomi 15T Pro. It really does make a difference when you're offered with the option to get essentially a phone, a tablet, and get yourself set up for less than the price of a new iPhone. But enough about that. We'll be doing a direct comparison between the 15T Pro and the Xiaomi and the iPhone 17 Standard Edition in an upcoming video. If you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks. Okay then, after having opened the box, we're presented with what feels a bit papery, a papery cover with some specs about the device. So obviously this is the Xiaomi Pad 7 tablet computer. It has a 3.2K display. It has apparently a leading AI experience, seamless desktop-like experience, Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 mobile platform, so not quite the 8 series or the Elite series, it's a 7 Plus, which for most people is more than enough. An 8,850 mAh battery and quad speakers for immersive sound. I'm going to put this tablet to the side for the now. And we have a little box with Xiaomi branding on it. It opens up and there's not much in here. There is, in this case, a quick start guide, which I'm sure I won't read. There is a warranty card, which likewise will stay in the box. And we do have a cable. What cable are Xiaomi giving us with the Pad 7? It is one of their orange cables. It's USB Type A to USB Type C. This should be fast enough to charge the device at Xiaomi speeds, which, if I'm not mistaken, is 45 watts for this tablet. Right, I'm going to put the box to the side. Let's have a look at the tablet and take this papery soft material off. Here we go. It's got a rip here. Okay, so this, has a couple of things here. First off, I'm going to take off the sticker with the serial number. And looking at the back of the device, we have a Xiaomi sticker here, which reveals pogo pins. So you can just see those. So you've got the Xiaomi logo and pogo pins. This is because with certain accessories, specifically Xiaomi cases, you'll be able to have a better experience if data is transferred directly through these, and power as well. So this is for the Xiaomi case. For most people, that's not that important. There is a camera on the back. It actually looks like a dual camera. No, it seems to just be a single one, but they've got the Xiaomi 4 camera bit here. So the camera is a 13 megapixel one. That's an LED flash that it has, and it's capable of recording video at 4K 30 frames per second. And on the front, we do have a small camera here. That's an 8 megapixel sensor, and that's the front of the device. So let's quickly have a look. We've got a volume rocker. Let me get that in focus. Volume rocker at the top here. We have what feels like a little fingerprint scanner on the top. Let me just check if that's the case. No, it's not. On the left side, we have the power button, Dolby Vision Atmos logo, and speakers. So there's two speakers on one side, two speakers on the other. USB Type-C is on the other side, and the bottom side is completely blank. So there we go. in case you're interested in the specs, this is an 11.2 inch tablet. That's 2136 pixels by 3200, so it's a 3.2K display as shouted out about on the packaging here. It's 3.2K at 144 Hz. Great. I'll wrap this video up. That's essentially what you get in the box. A bit of useless documentation, a power cable, and that's it. As I said earlier, we will be following up this video with a full setup video where we go through the actual device setup. And I also have ordered a non-Xiaomi cable from Amazon, which I'll also be unpackaging and reviewing here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.